Well now, Paolo, thank you very much. That was a lovely afternoon. Even excluding the feastings. A great afternoon. Thank you. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. If you're not coming, get out. That's what he's saying. Thank you for flying with Irish Aerial. Now, thank you. And I'm really looking forward to our meeting for Marrakech. But keep your hand in your pocket a bit, will you? Because it's helpful if I can disperse a bit of money out as well. Don't worry, I am not impoverished. I may wear broken shoes and have a crappy hairstyle, as you might think, but the thing is, what I don't spend goes to Al Maghrib. Thank you.